Jobs in manufacturing are expected to see a slight decline over the next 10 years due to automation and industry changes, but demand for workers will still be high as existing workers retire out of the labor force. In addition, high growth is expected in specialized manufacturing positions such as CNC machine tool programmers, industrial engineers, dental laboratory technicians, and medical appliance technicians. Unlike in many industries, new hires in manufacturing are commonly expected to learn the work on the job. Therefore, many occupations have minimal education requirements, typically a high school diploma or less, and new hires can also earn a technical certificate on the job. Examples of these types of careers include welders, packing and filling machine operators, painting workers, lathe and turning machine tool setters, slaughterers and meat packers, and food cooking machine operators. An associate's degree or certificate can open the door to a manufacturing career in a variety of fields, including CNC machine tool operators, machinists, dental laboratory technicians, boiler operators, or medical appliance technicians. Apprenticeships are common in the manufacturing industry and offer wages while learning a skilled trade. Some of the occupations that may be entered through apprenticeship include CNC programmers, precision machinists, industrial maintenance repairers, mold makers, and tool and die makers. Manufacturing careers that require a 4-year degree offer more management and design tasks. These include industrial production managers and industrial engineers. Is a career in the manufacturing industry for you? Keep these points in mind. Round-the-clock shifts are common, and first-shift positions are usually harder to find than night shifts or weekends. In addition, some employers may require mandatory overtime to meet production demand. Working conditions may include loud noise, heat or cold, and standing for long periods of time. Candidates who enjoy tinkering with hand or machine tools and are curious about mechanical systems have an advantage and are especially sought after in this industry. Because of worker shortages, manufacturers may have to compete for workers by offering increased wages, benefits, and flexibility in scheduling.